At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we believe we are among the best providers of emergency HVAC service Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, because of our commitment to fast response times, expert workmanship, and customer satisfaction. As a trusted HVAC contractor, we deliver comprehensive solutions across all aspects of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, including air conditioning repair service, furnace repair service, and complete HVAC system repair. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What qualifies as an HVAC emergency? An HVAC emergency is any situation where your system poses a risk to your safety, health, or immediate comfort, requiring prompt emergency HVAC service. As an experienced HVAC contractor working within the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry, we respond quickly to emergencies to restore safe and reliable indoor conditions. What are the most common HVAC issues that require emergency service? The most common HVAC issues that require emergency HVAC service typically involve sudden system failures or conditions that impact safety and comfort. As a trusted HVAC contractor within the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, we are equipped to quickly diagnose and resolve these urgent problems to restore safe and reliable indoor conditions. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.